What have you learned?
I have learned how to implement a person context of definition geography of generic structure of social function of language features of example.
What have you understood?
Definition: a biography records its text essay about someone's life story written with antonym constant and order until past tense. Generic structure orientation introduction constant names with background. Hence, import event in the life orientation closing of the person in branch. Social function inform and expression meaning or someone's life expression. Language vectors past tense was when student. Extension verb time after tense Pacific names. Pacific voice was born was now. Example, B.J. Habibie. B.J. Habibie was born on Juni. In Pare-Pare, Sulawesi, he studied printing in German and became an engineer or engineer in how became the third president of Indonesia. He was known for his intelligence and innovation. Habibie passed out in both he is remembered and national hero in technology and leadership.
What is the most interesting presentation?
The most interesting for the personal recon material was learning how the orientation a story in order for bringing the end. For example, how telling a story about holiday we learn the word like first, then, and finally to make the story more live.
Give the suggestion for presentation.
Speak cherry and on present to make the story more interesting.
What have you learned?
Definisi biography of generic structure of social function of language vectors of example.
What have you understood?
Orientation introduction about a person name, birth, background. Events import event into person life told real world. Reorientation closing statement of realization about the person social function. Inform and inspiration the readings be telling the story of someone's real life experience and tutelage. Language features past tense, action verbs, time quantifies, Pacific points, Pal, Dina, Howbrown, and 200 in Surabaya. She loved cooking, skiing, hair young after finishing in school. She started a small food business. Now her food stall is famous in her neighborhood.
What is the most interesting presentation?
The most interesting part was his personal story shared because it was for us to
Give the suggestion for presentation.
speak a little louder and show more pictures to make the story closer and more engaging.
What have you learned?
I have learned how to asking for and giving direction, definition, biography, organic structure of social function of language vectors of example.
What have you understood?
Asking, giving direction, generic structure, opening, asking, giving, closing. Social function, perhaps someone find a page asking for of giving direction, clearly and quality. Language vector, information, verb, purpose of facial, session, sort and planning center. Example dialogue. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the post office? B. Sir, go straight for to the extent train the post office in next to the bank. A. Thank you. B. You are
What is the most interesting presentation?
pioneering now, Calgary and Viking energy with a map or question names.
Give the suggestion for presentation.
As example, censor and give example of familiar place.
What have you learned?
I have learned how to read table and schedule, definisi biography of linear structure of example, function of language, factors of example.
What have you understood?
A specific definition like story can be someone structure orientation, events, reorientation, social function to inform and inspiration or language picture, present, action, verb, time, word, specific voice. Example, Marnie was a tailor for opening hymns on shop.
What is the most interesting presentation?
The most interesting part was learning how the familiar impression during tables.
Give the suggestion for presentation.
Use clear labels and colors to make the tables and listening to read.
What have you learned?
I have learned how to make request definisi biography of generic structure or social function of language factors of example.
What have you understood?
Request text for example definition request is a quality way to ask someone to do something. Generic structure opening, request, closing. Social function to asking for help or to asking someone to do something quality. Language factors quality explanation can you call you what you might simple present tense use for please or thank you. Example call you help me carry the bag please. What you mean closing the window.
What is the most interesting presentation?
The interesting part was learning how to explain requests in a quality and reflex way.
Give the suggestion for a presentation.
Do a role play we can parting, marking request and giving recon direction.
What have you learned?
I have learned how to rent and car and itinerary or travel plan.
What have you understood?
Itinerary material definition. An itinerary is a travel plan the industry time place and asking to be known during a trip. Function to help orientation time asking during the trip and impress someone and activity structure time activity plans. Example of itinerary trip to museum. 7. Gathering at school. 8. Depart the museum. 9. Offering the museum and export.
What is the most interesting presentation?
The interesting part was planning fun expressing in net schedule format.
Give the suggestion for presentation.
Use a simple table and put them in the itinerary as a start.
What have you learned?
I have learned how to return and student project text properly. Definisi biography of generic structure of social function of language factors as example.
What have you understood?
Definisi procedure text is the text that explain how to do something or how to make something step by step. Purpose of social function to give instruction on how to make or do something clearly and clearly. The generic structure goal how you want to do or make up entry. What you next step introduction written in our language figures. Use of information first. Example, how to make a cup of tea. Goal to make a cup. The material the bag of water, sugar, and cup. Step, boil the water, put the bag in the cup, pour the hot water in the cup, and sugar as you like.
What is the most interesting presentation?
The interesting part was sharing how to make something clearly.
Give the suggestion for presentation.
Unreally expression or Pinterest